Everything's chill. Perhaps they'd also like to speak to you. People are chill up here too. I mean, you'd think it was just yokels and old folks, but that is not the case.
One everybody's like, I want to eat lying down.
Oh my God, it's Pete's widow.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm a bit early for the party. You guys live near my podiatrist, and you want to go home in between. Pete, Carol's here.
I guess if he's laying down, he can't drop it.
Oh, sorry. These are our friends, Sasha and Nico.
Sasha. Nico. Sasha. This is what you told Will. Carol? Oh, I bet Carol got the invite meant from bookstore Caroline. Nice email mix up, which I would know about as we go through emails. Is he bragging? That guy, yeah. Did someone say that cheese?
You can hear him crunching it.
He's really like thinking about it. He's like,
I got my finger.
I hate donuts. I love donut holes. Oh God, not this again. They do the same thing. Oh no. Donut holes come out of a different machine. It's all donut material. I can't be here for this. Either of you guys have flip shoes?
You know what? Why don't I show you two to your room?
And Carol, let's go put the donut holes in the kitchen.
Wow, she's a bit much. Don't worry, Jay, I'll take care of her.
Ooh, ominous. It's a dance floor. I'm ready to get out there and boogie. Actually, Carol, I think we need some help in here, kind of manning this area. Yeah, they don't want you here, Carol. No one does. I'm supposed to be up there. Yeah, but I need a really strong presence in the kitchen. People are drawn to my charisma. Yeah, my best friend who you slept with was sure.
That's all of it. He didn't save anything for Cyrus. You're a piglet.
come here, buddy. You ate it all.
He's addicted. He's like, I miss this stuff.
Look at that face. Is that good?